University Video Communications is pleased to present this video edition of the Distinguished Lecture Series, Industry Leaders in Computer Science and Electrical Engineering. This presentation is by Keelan Durham and Sam Majid of KeySam Design on a cutting-edge programming language, TI Basic Plus. Keelan and Sam were the principal designers of the 2-week implementation of this prototypical language. They joined the CS department in 2021, and their most recent work has been on botnets and DDoS attacks when they took distributed systems. Please join us in welcoming Sam and Keelan.
Thank you for having us.
We're here to talk about our exciting new programming language, TI Basic Plus.
This language is modeled after the original TI Basic language, available on the TI-99, TI-4, and TI-4A computers. What's different about our language, however, is that it is even more basic.
Yes. For example, the original TI Basic includes a feature called a for loop, which repeats a section of code for a given number of iterations. TI Basic Plus, however, simplifies this operation with conditional goto statements, which can mirror the behavior of an explicit for loop without the need for the additional syntax.
TI Basic Plus may seem like a silly project, but it is an exciting way to emulate the behavior of computers past, and program in a way unfamiliar to most modern-day programmers. You might also find an old snippet of code written in TI Basic, but without a TI-99, TI-4, or TI-4A computer, it may be impossible to run. That's where TI Basic Plus comes in.
TI Basic Plus is implemented in F#, another powerful programming language built around functional programming principles. Here are some examples of the powerful programs you can write in TI Basic Plus. The following basic program demonstrates the syntax of variable assignment in TI Basic Plus.
In this example program, where the numbers on the left-hand side represent line numbers, we have the following statements. X equals 5, my string 1 equals Keelan, my string 2 equals Sam, print my string 2, print my string 1, print X.
This program will be executed in ascending order by line number. First, X, 5 is assigned to X. Then, Keelan is assigned to my string 1. Sam is assigned to my string 2. The dollar signs after the my string are specific to string assignment. We then print my string 2, which is Sam, and then we print my string 1, which is Keelan. After that, we print X, which is 5. So on your console, you will see Sam, Keelan, 5.
This next program demonstrates the various arithmetic operations supported by TI Basic Plus.
Line 50 prints 5 times 4 divided by 2, which is equal to the integer 10. Line 100 prints 50.4 plus 4 minus 2, which is equal to the float value 52.4. This program is slightly more complex, demonstrating the use of conditional goto statements.
On line 50, we set the value of the variable x to 0. On line 100, we increment the value of x by 1. On line 150, we print the value of x to the console. And on line 200, we compare the value of x with 5. If it is less than 5, then we jump back to line 100. We increment the value of x again, we print the value of x, and we continue in this loop until the condition x is less than 5 is true.
The result of this program is that the numbers 1 through 5 are printed to the console. While this programming language has the advantage of not being able to do anything particularly complicated, which allows inexperienced users to learn the entire language in less than an hour, we'll admit that some features would make this language more useful.
For example, adding the syntax for a for loop might make the user experience easier for some. Combine this with the addition of array-like data structures, and we would be able to simulate many of the programs that can be written in modern languages. These are the two main features we would like to add, should time permit further development of this project. However, we quite like the highly basic nature of this language.
We are honored to have the opportunity to present our language TI Basic Plus on this wonderful lecture series. We hope that you enjoy this language implementation as much as we have, and we hope you use TI Basic Plus for all your most basic tasks.